Hello and welcome back. Today let's make these soft and delicious chicken stuffed buns with a light fluffy dough that's eggless and made using yeast. With the quantity I'm using, this recipe will make about 6 buns. Here is the list of ingredients we need for the recipe. So now let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine 3/4 cup of warm milk. To this add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast. Give this all a good mix and let it rest for 10 minutes until frothy. If the yeast do not turn frothy after 10 minutes, then it might be expired or the milk may have been too hot or too cold, which can affect activation. Next, to this add in 2 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour, a little salt to taste. Give this all a good mix and knead into a soft, slightly sticky dough. Now add a little oil on countertop and mix and knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Lastly, grease with little oil and cover and let it rise in a warm place for 1.5 to 2 hours or until doubled. Let us now start preparing our stuffing. For that, heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add in finely chopped onions, saute them with a pinch of salt and cook until they turn translucent. Now, add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and black pepper powder. Give it a quick stir and saute for about a minute. Next, add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now, add finely chopped boneless chicken, mix everything well, cover and cook on medium to high heat. The chicken will release some water. Continue cooking, stirring occasionally until all the moisture evaporates completely. Once the moisture evaporates completely, add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Give everything a good mix and let it sit between low to medium flame for 5 more minutes. And our stuffing is now ready. Once the dough has doubled in size, punch it gently to release the air and knead it for a minute. Then divide it into equal size portion depending on how big you want your buns to be. Now, take one portion and roll it into small ball. Flatten it slightly using your fingers or a rolling pin. Now, place a spoonful of prepared chicken stuffing right in the center. Be careful not to overfill. Bring the edges together and pinch to seal tightly at the top. Make sure there are no gaps as the filling might leak out while baking. Then place the shaped buns on baking tray lined with parchment paper or lightly greased with oil. Once done, lightly brush the top with oil to prevent them from drying out and cover with a lid. Let the buns rest for 15 to 30 minutes for the second rise. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the buns for 18 minutes. Once done, they might look a little dry, but don't worry, immediately brush the tops with some butter for a lovely shine and soft texture and cover with a damp cloth for 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Our soft fluffy chicken stuffed buns are ready to be enjoyed. These are perfect as a snack or one-time meal. Try it out and don't forget to subscribe for more.